In this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about how to show you the analytics of any video URL. Just I'm going to browse my, just write your youtube.com and / and write your username. I just want to see my analytics report of a specific video. This one, I just want to see the analytics of this video, how much I have already earned, how many views already I have watched, and from which countries. Then you can check everything. Just click on the analytics tab, and it will take some moments. Just wait until okay. Now I have got a report last 28 days, August 22 and September 8. Already I have got 931 views, about 15 hours and half, 31 minutes, and got a 517 views. And this is the average view duration. Actually, it depends on how one person that means average person already spent 1 minute and 48 seconds every person, and already I have earned about 99 cents last 28 days, and already I got 4 likes and 0 dislikes and 3 comments and 3 shares. And if you increase your likes and dislikes and comments and shares, I think that you earn more and more. So as it is, I got only less than 5 likes, less than 3 likes, less than 3 shares. So it's not so far. And where I got the videos, and you can see also 5 top geographics. And then first of all, 21% I got viewers from India, and 40% from USA, and 9.7% from Bangladesh, and 3.9% from Pakistan, and 2.5% from Philippines, others from other countries. Basically, you can also see, actually it's not showing that. You can check here. If you are not able to see any analytics report, then you have to click on here, because it's not showing that. It has some problems. So I'm going to back, and you have to charge about this issue, because and where you are getting traffic sources and what kind of traffic sources we have already for this video. Already I got some external traffic sources from external. That means it would be from your Google search, as well as you know that if I search on Google, then I have some top ranked keyword. This one, XML issues. If I search with this keyword, then I see my tutorial first page and the second position. So it's also ranked on YouTube on first page. If you check, go to the YouTube and you can check this one. Right again, same keyword. Oh, this is not external. Actually, I just want to show you that external sources where I have got the viewers for this video. About 49%. I just got the viewers from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engine, and other sources, and other website or other blogs, and YouTube search. And someone if charts by using this keyword WAF XML issues. Already my videos on the first page of YouTube. That's why I'm getting lots of viewers from here, YouTube search. And suggested videos. That means if someone Karim is one of the viewers. So if Karim satisfied with my videos tutorials, if the tutorial have Karim, so Karim will suggest the video to others person. So like this suggested persons, any persons from, I got 11%, it is 11% from suggested views, and other sources is 7%. That's it. And flyback location, this also one kind of good report for you. And if anyone, most of the flyback location, that means if I watch this video from my outside of YouTube, so that would be counted embedded or external website or apps. Actually, most of the viewers, most of the viewers play my video on YouTube, about 94%, and some people when browse my YouTube channel, that means just users Arfan, then it will be automatically played. It will be automatically played. That's why some person who use my who enter my channel using my YouTube username, so they are counted as a channel pages. And embedded code, that means if someone play the video from Facebook, Twitter, and other social media sites, so that will be counted like this embedded and external websites. And it's also another one. I'm just going to show you that some examples. I have one blogs. This is my blog. I have ended some code of my video tutorial. So if I get some video views from this blog or from website, so that will be counted as embedded in external websites and apps. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next tutorial and how you can get more viewers from your social media sites.